Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, avocado oil has gained immense popularity in recent years as a staple in health conscious kitchens and skincare routines. Extracted from the pulp of avocados, this oil is often praised for its high nutritional value and versatility. But is avocado oil truly as beneficial as it's claimed to be? In this video, we will explore the health benefits, nutritional profile, and potential drawbacks of avocado oil to help you make an informed decisions. So, how healthy is avocado oil? It is packed with heart-healthy monosaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, which is known to reduce bad cholesterol levels and support cardiovascular health. It's also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E that helps combat oxidative stress and promote overall well-being. Furthermore, avocado oil has a high smoke point, making it ideal for cooking at high temperatures without breaking down the harmful compounds. So, is avocado a seed oil? Unlike traditional seed oils like canola or sunflower oil, avocado oil is extracted from the fruit's flesh, not its seed. This unique feature contributes to its distinct flavor and high nutrient density. While technically not a seed oil, avocado oil shares some processing similarities with them but often boasts a better nutritional profile. So let's see the nutrition facts. So first is calories. 1 tablespoon of avocado oil contains approximately 120 calories. Fats, it is composed of 14 grams of fat and 10 of which are monosaturated. Also, a rich source of vitamin E and small amounts of other fat soluble vitamins like K. Then, phytosterols. These compounds help reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut. Then we have carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, which supports the eye health. So let's see the benefits of avocado oil. First is heart health. The monosaturated fats in avocado oil helps reduce LDL cholesterol and helps increase the HDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Second is skin and hair care. Its antioxidant and moisturizing properties makes it a favorite ingredient in skincare and hair care products, helping to combat dryness and promotes elasticity. Third is anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in oleic acid and antioxidants, avocado oil may help reduce inflammation, potentially benefiting conditions like the arthritis. Fourth is improved nutrient absorption. Avocado oil can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E, and other nutrients when paired with a meal. Fifth, it has a high smoke point. Its stability at high temperatures makes it a healthier choice for frying, roasting, and grilling compared to the oils that degrade easily. So, are there any drawbacks to avocado oil? Yes. First is cost. Avocado oil is often more expensive than other cooking oils, which may not fit all the budget. Second is quality concerns. Not all avocado oils on the market are pure. Some are mixed with lower quality oils, so it's important to buy from the reputable brands. Third is caloric density. Like all oils, avocado oil is rich calorie dense, which can lead to overconsumption if not used in moderation, but still you can use them daily. So, avocado oil is undoubtedly a nutritional and versatile addition to healthy diet and lifestyle. With its heart healthy fats, antioxidant properties, and stability for high temperature cooking, it's an excellent alternative to less nutritious oil. However, be mindful of its cost, potential adulteration, and caloric content. As with any food, moderation is the key. By selecting high quality avocado oil and incorporating it thoughtfully into your meals, you can enjoy its numerous benefits without any drawbacks. So, guys, whether you are drizzling it over salads, using it as a base for marinades, or nourishing your skin and hair, avocado oil offers a variety of applications. Make sure to choose cold pressed extra virgin varieties to maximize its health benefits. Embrace avocado oil as a part of your journey to healthier lifestyle, and your body will thank you. So, guys, is it's definitely a boon for your skin and your health, so you can definitely use it daily. So guys, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it to someone who might need this information, and also subscribe to our channel for amazing health and wellness advice, and I will see you in the next video.